Hey there, everybody. Paul with ProShop here. So I was recently reminded of the book Atomic Habits and the quote, "You do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems." It's something I've thought is true for years now. It's a great quote, and there's nothing that is more relevant about that than preventative maintenance in a shop. At ProShop, we are all about building easy systems to help run your shop better. And preventative maintenance is one of those things that you really have to have good systems for. Putting it on a spreadsheet is just not a recipe for success. So in this blog today, we talk about the importance of preventative maintenance, how ProShop can make that process a little bit simpler. And hopefully it doesn't take something like, having to replace a $10,000 or $20,000 spindle when a nominal amount of oil and grease might have prevented that failure in the first place. So hope you'll take a read of this blog written by my good buddy Dave Buick. It's just a great reminder of how important this is and how building systems can make it so much easier. The equipment module that helps run this is one of the favorite of our clients. It really just helps make it easy to build the systems, define the frequency, put who's in charge of it, and get those automated reminders. So anyway, hope you enjoy the blog. Please, love to have you share below if you had any particular takeaways from it or want to tag someone that could maybe use a reminder about this. So thanks as always for watching and listening and reading, and we'll see you on the next one.